Hello everyone! In this video I'll show you how to polish scratches in an easy way at home without turning to any specialists. I have a car that someone scratched in the yard. Most likely someone snagged the rear bumper while parking. And now I'll try to remove all this with simple actions. What do we need? We'll sand this scratch with ordinary sandpaper. To do this, I bought P1500, P2000 grit sandpaper as well as polishing paste. Over time, it dried out and turned into lumps. I used G3 abrasive paste, which removes the sanding mark left by P1500 sandpaper from all paint coats. At the first stage I take sandpaper P1500. I had to round the edges of the paper so as not to make additional scratches. While sanding, don't forget to wet the paper with water. So we sanded the surface with P1500 paper. Wash off everything that has been sanded and after the water dries, you can see the matte surface. Well, we got rid of the scratches. Now the task is to remove this white stain that we got. To do this, I sand the surface with sandpaper P2000. This way we make the scratches from the P1500 sandpaper finer at the expense of the P2000 paper. Begin the process of sanding and do not forget to wet sandpaper with water. We have finished sanding this P2000 sandpaper and now we are rinsing the dust of the coating. Let's wait until the surface dries and see that the white spot is even smaller. Next we'll do the final sanding with abrasive paste consisting of very fine abrasive. Put paste on the surface all around the perimeter where we sanded and don't forget to add a little water and sand with the rag. I'm making a video on scratch removal without using a sander or polisher. So I do everything with just sandpaper, paste and rag. If you use automated tools, the result will be much better. After finishing the sanding process, wash out the abrasive from the paste and see what we got. If the stain still remains, you can repeat the procedure with the finer polishing paste. In the end, I removed all the paste from the car body, washed the surface well and now look at what came out in the end. That's where the scratch was. As you can see, the deep scratches that reached the ground, they remained, but the small scratches were removed by the sandpaper. It looks much better. I'm quite happy with the result of the work. Once again, first we sand with sandpaper P1500, then P2000, then with abrasive paste G3. That's all for now. See you soon in the next videos.